Hey everyone, and welcome to another exciting tutorial where today, I'll be guiding you through the basics of creating a stunning home model in SketchUp. Perfect for all you home designers out there looking to refine your skills or kickstart your career. First things first, let's dive into the world of floor plans. Imagine having the power to transform a simple sketch into a three-dimensional home model that not only looks professional but is incredibly accurate. Well, with SketchUp, that's not only possible, it's actually quite straightforward. Now starting off, you'll want to open up Sketchpair and grab yourself a fresh template. Don't worry about the complexities. SketchUp is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Once your template is ready, the first step is to outline your basic floor plan. Use the line tool to draw the walls and make sure to input exact dimensions. This isn't just about drawing, it's about precision. Remember, every inch counts when designing a home. Next up, let's add doors and windows. SketchUp has a plethora of options that can be easily dragged and dropped into your plan. Adjust the size and position to match your initial design concept. It's like building a house with Lego blocks, except it's on your computer screen. Now here comes the fun part, elevating your floor plan into a 3D model. With a simple click and drag, pull up your walls from the floor plan view. Suddenly, what was a flat sketch starts to pop up into a home. Adjust the heights, add a roof, and don't forget to texture the surfaces for a realistic touch. To really bring your model to life, SketchUp allows you to add colors, textures, and even materials. Choose a brick pattern for a rustic feel or sleek wood panels for a modern look. Experimenting with these features not only enhances your model, but also gives you a robust understanding of how materials can influence the aesthetics of a building. Lastly, don't forget the importance of lighting and shadows to give your model some depth and perspective. Adjust the sun angle according to the geographic location of your project to see how natural light will interact with your design. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just transformed a basic sketch into an intricate 3D home model in SketchUp. Keep practicing, explore new tools and features, and I guarantee your designs will continue to impress and improve. Thanks for tuning in, and stay creative. Until next time, keep designing and pushing the boundaries of your creativity with SketchUp.